Welcome to Agritech Tomorrow, where we explore the cutting edge of farming innovation. Today, we're diving into a fascinating intersection of biology and artificial intelligence that's set to transform how we protect our crops. Imagine being able to understand agricultural pests not just by what they do, but by what's happening inside them, specifically within their gut. The agricultural sector is increasingly leveraging AI to tackle the age-old problem of crop pests and diseases. One of the most exciting developments is using AI to analyze the gut microbiome of these pests. Think of the gut microbiome as the community of tiny microorganisms living in an animal's digestive system. It's incredibly important for their health, how they digest food, and even their vulnerability to diseases. For years, detecting and managing plant diseases and pests meant a lot of manual work, visual checks, and often, broad-spectrum chemical sprays. But AI, especially machine learning, is changing the game. These smart algorithms can sift through massive amounts of complex data, like the genetic information from an insect's gut. So, how does this work? Researchers collect samples from pests and use high-throughput sequencing to see all the different microbes present in their gut. Then, AI steps in. It can identify these microbial species, figure out their numbers, and spot telltale changes. For example, a specific microbial signature might reveal an early-stage infection in a pest, or even if it's resistant to certain treatments. This allows for much earlier detection and more precise interventions, moving away from just spraying everything. The real power of AI here is its ability to discover biomarkers, specific microbes or patterns that are reliably linked to a pest's vulnerabilities. It can also help predict how pest populations might grow or spread based on their gut health and environmental factors. But it doesn't stop at detection. This understanding opens doors for revolutionary control strategies. We could develop probiotics for pests, imagine that, which could disrupt their ability to digest our crops or make them more vulnerable to their natural enemies. We could also pinpoint microbial weaknesses to develop highly targeted therapies. Research is already showing great promise. Scientists are using machine learning to understand the gut bacteria of pests like fruit flies. The goal is to create smarter, more sustainable control methods, perhaps by specifically targeting their digestion or their resistance to certain natural pathogens. This AI-driven microbiome analysis is often combined with other tech, like IoT sensors monitoring plant and soil health in real time, feeding even more data into cloud platforms for comprehensive insights. While this field is still evolving, applying AI to pest gut microbiomes is a significant step towards precision agriculture. It means more targeted, effective, and importantly, more environmentally friendly ways to protect our crops. By looking at the microscopic world inside these pests, we're learning to manage them in ways that are smarter and more sustainable for everyone, ultimately contributing to global food security. It's a microscopic frontier with macroscopic implications for the future of farming. Thanks for tuning in to Agritech Tomorrow.